Alright, let's get real for a second. Have you ever wondered why some websites just explode overnight? Like one day you've never heard of them, and the next everyone's talking about it. Sharing links, making memes. Even your mom is asking if you've seen it. What's the secret sauce behind every viral website? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. Now, first things first. No, it's not just luck. There's actually a formula, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Here's the thing. Viral websites all tap into one superpower: curiosity. They make you need to know more. It's like when you see a closed box with a big red button and a sign that says, "Do not press." Guess what? You want to press it, right? Let's break it down. The first trick? Headlines. Every viral site has headlines that are impossible to ignore. Think about those quizzes. Only 1% can solve this. You won't believe what happens next. They're not just headlines, they're invitations. They make your brain itch until you click. Second, viral sites are fast. No one waits for a spinning wheel these days. If a website loads slow, boom, you're gone. The biggest viral hits, they load in a snap, so you're in and hooked before you can even think about leaving. Third, they make sharing easy. Notice those big shiny share buttons everywhere? WhatsApp, Instagram, wherever your friends are. The easier it is to share, the faster it spreads. But here's the real kicker. Viral websites don't just go viral by accident. They design every pixel to keep you curious, keep you clicking, and keep you coming back. Sometimes it's a quiz, sometimes it's a wild story, sometimes it's just a weird little game. But it's always about making you feel like you're in on something special. So next time you stumble onto a website that everyone's obsessed with, look closer. Notice the headlines, the speed, the share buttons, and, most importantly, how it makes you feel. That's the secret. And now, you know it too. If you found this reveal eye-opening, hit that like button, share this video, and let me know in the comments. What's the most addictive website you've ever found? Until next time, stay curious. Stay.